Inherited a house in Southern California and not sure what to do next? Between paperwork, family decisions, repairs, clean out, and figuring out what the home is worth, it can feel like a lot to manage at once. At Blue Wave Home Buyers, we are family owned since 2018, and our team of real estate professionals helps families look at their situation clearly so they can find an option that makes sense for them. When you inherit a home, you usually have a few paths to consider. You can keep the property in the family, you can rent it out if you're comfortable handling repairs, tenants, and ongoing maintenance. You can list it with an agent, which may make sense if you have time to prepare the home, clean it out, and go through the traditional selling process. Or if the home needs work, has belongings inside, or if you just prefer a simpler way to move forward, you may choose to sell it as is. Selling as is can allow you to skip repairs, avoid showings, and choose a closing timeline that works better for your situation. That is why Blue Wave Home Buyers offers no obligation cash offers for inherited homes across Southern California. There is no pressure to move forward. Our goal is to help you understand your options and see if an as-is sale makes sense. To get started and receive a quote for your fair cash offer, contact our team today at 86-661-33041 or visit us at bluewavehomebuyers.com to explore a simpler way forward for your situation.